All right, in this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to set up a page after subscription. So when someone subscribes, if you want to redirect them to a separate page within your Joomla website, I'm going to teach you how to do that now. So you want to go to Content, Article Manager. You want to click on Add New Article. And then let's just put in the title. All right, and I have some content I just copied over. Okay. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to save and close. So we've created this content, and the goal is that when someone subscribes to the newsletter, it's going to take them, show them this new message that we just created. So let's go over to the module manager. And you want to find out where it says Acymailing module. Now you can change this. You don't have to leave it as that. You can put that. So when someone put in the information here, it's going to redirect them to that page. Okay, so once we've created this, next we need to create a menu. Now this menu is going to link this item here to the front end. So you go to menus, main menu, add new menu item, and we're just gonna have this call a redirect message, and then go to menu item type, select article, single article, then you want to click on select article, and then you choose the one that you just we just added. Okay, so once that's done, we just click save and close. And then you come here on the module, you have to put in where it says redirect. So after someone fills that form, is going to redirect them to see that message. But you have to make sure that this custom redirect link is set up. If you choose any one of these and not choose this one, it's not going to work. So how do you get that particular link we just created? Well, let's go back to the home page. Let's refresh it. Okay, here's the link. Here's the link right here, the menu. So you click on it, and at the very top, you can copy. Let me pull this down here so you can see. So the goal is to copy this. So I'm just going to copy. And then I'm just going to put that link right here. So make sure everything is correct. And then let's just click save. Okay, so let's test it out. And the goal for this again is when someone click, subscribe now, it redirects them to this page. Now you don't have to create a menu like this and just put it up there. You can actually hide this menu so that it doesn't show up here. But let's test this out first and see if it's working. So you want to click on subscribe now. Okay, so it worked. So once you click subscribe now, it took you to this other menu. So what I want to show you now is I want to hide this menu so that it doesn't show up anywhere in the front end, that the only time you're able to actually see it is when you click subscribe now. So to do that, we're going to hide this menu. And to hide the menu, you have to create a new menu. So you go to menus, module menu manager, you click add new menu. And then we're just going to put in hide menu. And then save and close. Now the hide menu feature is really great because there are times when you don't want certain pages to be shown or certain menus to be shown on the front end, but you want the content of that to be shown. So this is when you use that. So now you go back to menus, you go to main menu. what we're going to do is we're going to simply just move this menu from the main menu to the hidden menu we just created. Okay, so once you have this here, you want to go to the location and you want to click on the hide or whatever name you call it. And then you click save and close. Okay, let's go back to the front end. So if you notice now that, menu is no longer there. So let's test it out and see if it still works, if we get the same result. Oops. Subscribe now. Okay, there you have it. So now you can't see the menu anywhere, but the content of that menu is still showing, which is, is really great to have, because you don't want, if you have several lists, you don't want that menu to always show up. So that's how you create and you hide a menu. And the only time that menu is going to show up is when someone clicks, subscribe now, and they're going to get that message that of course, here's the title. So that's how you're able to create a redirect within Joomla. Next, we're going to take a look at how do you integrate this newsletter into your content. So instead of it just being on the side here, it can actually be with the content. So let's take a look at that next.